For us, state-of-the-art is not enough. We gave everything to invent the technology of tomorrow, our industry's game changer. This is the new cool. An innovative cooling solution no one's ever built before. Future-proof and natural. Copeland scroll technology for CO2 cooling systems. We did it. We combined the benefits of scroll technology and CO2 in one compressor. In one refrigeration unit. Simple, compact, efficient. No matter what climate. That's inventiveness at its best. CO2, finally ready for the large-scale rollout. How cool is that? Our CO2 scroll solution comes with smart technology for worry-free refrigeration, factory built and ready for installation. A solution perfect for all sizes of urban spaces and store concepts. It's even IoT ready. That's how we set new standards in sustainable retail refrigeration. That's the new cool. Copeland CO2 scroll technology.